Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over 5 different apps to help grow your Shopify store. These apps are going to range in different categories here, all related around marketing. Make sure you stay until the end of the video here, as there are some really cool apps, and for each of these I'll be going over what they are, their pricing, and their reviews. Before I dive into it, I want to thank our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations on how profitable your Shopify store actually is. You're also going to get a ton of different detailed analytics so you can understand how profitable your Shopify store truly is. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, and I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into the first app in this video, and that's going to be Trancy, an AI language translator. This is going to be great because it's going to translate your Shopify store into different languages, as well as it's going to help with currency conversion so it can convert into different languages. This is going to broaden the user base which you can sell to, as many customers prefer to shop in their own currency and in their own language. So it's going to use AI here to translate your store into different languages. You can edit all the translations as well if you want to do so, and you convert popular currencies and sync it with the checkout page. So it's going to translate everything in one click here, making it super easy for you to set up. In terms of pricing, there's a free 14-day trial on all their paid plans. There's a free plan as well. We can add one language and one currency. It's also going to use the AI neural machine translation, so you get unlimited words and page views with that. And as you start to move up in price, you get more languages in different currencies here. In terms of reviews, it has an amazing 4.9 stars with over 4,000 5-star reviews, which is a ton here on the Shopify App Store. So the next app is going to be Vital's all-in-one marketing. So it's the all-in-one conversion marketing app for reviews, upsells, bundles, replays, pop-ups, plus 40 more here. So they basically just aggregated all the most popular tool types into one easy to use app here. So you get things such as product reviews. You can import them from AliExpress. And this marketing app here will also help grow your store, as it should help increase sales, as hopefully it should help increase your conversion rate. So you can get things such as visitor replays, so you can see what users are doing on your site. This can give you an idea if there are any issues. You can add upsells and pre-orders, so it's going to include an upsell builder as well, including product bundles and quantity discounts. There's a sticky add to cart button, a currency converter as well, trust badges and payment logos, a shoppable Instagram feed, a spin the wheel pop-up, a countdown timer, Facebook pixel integrations, quite a few features here. And so in terms of pricing, it's $29.99 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So this app has a perfect 5 stars with 4.3 thousand 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at loyalty, rewards, and referrals. So it's going to allow you to launch a loyalty program, which should help increase repurchase customer rates, which will help increase your overall customer count, helping you to grow your store here. They always say it's around 5 times cheaper to retain an existing customer than to acquire a new one. So it's important here that you're doing that, incentivizing them to come back and purchase again. So you can delight shoppers with a beautifully branded and feature-rich rewards program. You can automatically schedule holiday bonuses and point-based campaigns, and you can leave memorable impressions with personalized thank you messages. There's also going to be a referral program here, as they integrate with Referral Candy, which will let customers spread the word about your business if they've had a good experience, and they can get rewarded for doing so. In terms of pricing for this app, there's a free 14-day trial. There is also a free plan with up to 100 monthly orders. And as you start to move up in price, you get increases in orders, plus more rewards. In terms of reviews, this has a really good 4.6 stars with over 500 5-star reviews. So next, let's take a look at an email marketing and SMS marketing app. So this app's going to help you drive leads, customer engagement, and sales. So autonomously here, it's going to combine both email and SMS into one app, both of which are extremely effective ways, and there are multiple mediums in which you can contact your customer without having to pay for more ads. It makes it really easy to build effective customer segments. These are going to be relevant and meaningful segments, so you can categorize them into types such as VIPs, repeat buyers, win-back opportunities, engaged and churned customers. So you can send personalized email newsletters. You can also do A/B testing to help optimize revenue there. So you can capture leads here, boost conversions, and customize the customer experience. We can see popular ones such as spin the wheel. So since texts get higher engagement than email here, they've included that as well. So you can send events based text here for things such as cart abandonment, which should help increase your sales here as customers were really close to purchasing. We want to be able to target them to come back and finish their purchase. So in terms of pricing, there is a free plan with up to 3,000 emails and 300 contacts. So you can get all the pop-up features, all conversion tools, campaign analytics, web push notifications, as well as coupons. And as you start to move up in price, you get more emails and more contacts. In terms of reviews, it has a really good 4.9 stars with 4.8 thousand 5-star reviews. Lastly, let's take a look at Symbrosis Google Shopping feed. So Google Shopping is a great avenue to get more customers and get more sales if you don't already have it set up. The issue with Google Shopping is that it can be very time consuming to set up and to update on a frequent basis. This is where this app comes into play, because it makes it really easy to manage your Google Shopping feed. You can also upload this to Microsoft for Bing ads, as well as Facebook as well, giving you multiple platforms it can be uploaded to. Google Shopping is great too because the ads require way less maintenance. You don't have to create creatives for each of them, as it's going to be determined by how you categorize them. And so that can be done all within this Google Shopping feed app here, and you sync products very easily. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $4.99 a month. There is a 21-day free trial, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of products. In terms of reviews, this has an excellent 4.9 stars with 4.4 thousand 5-star reviews. This is going to conclude the video here. I went over 5 different apps which can help grow your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to use or are using any of these apps, or if you think any other ones should have been included. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. Lastly, I want to mention ProfitCalc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.